Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about what features should you look for in a CMMS. Let's jump right into it. In the relentless pursuit of efficiency, manufacturing thrives on equipment running smoothly. Downtime translates to lost production and profits. CMMS is a game changer for optimizing maintenance operations. But with a plethora of features, selecting the right CMMS can feel overwhelming. Let's explore the essential features you should prioritize to transform your maintenance function. Work order management. Imagine a central hub for all your maintenance tasks. A robust work order management system empowers you to create and assign work orders, electronically generate work orders for preventive, corrective, and emergency maintenance, specifying tasks, required parts, and deadlines. Prioritize and track progress. Establish clear priorities for work orders based on urgency and potential impact. Track progress in real time, ensuring tasks are completed efficiently. Attach relevant documents, upload equipment manuals, maintenance history reports, and other documents to each work order for comprehensive reference by technicians. Streamline communication. Facilitate communication between maintenance personnel, supervisors, and requesting departments through work order comments and updates. Preventive maintenance scheduling. Transition from a reactive, fix when broken, approach to a proactive, prevent failures strategy. This crucial feature allows you to schedule maintenance tasks, schedule preventive maintenance based on manufacturer recommendations, equipment usage data, or established intervals. Set automated reminders. Configure automatic reminders for upcoming preventive maintenance tasks, ensuring timely execution and preventing equipment degradation. Reduce downtime and costs. By proactively addressing potential issues, you minimize unexpected equipment failures, maximizing uptime and reducing overall maintenance costs. Inventory control. No more scrambling for spare parts at the critical moment. An effective inventory control system within your CMMS offers real-time inventory tracking. Maintain accurate records of spare parts inventory levels across your facility. Reorder point management. Define reorder points for each spare part based on usage patterns and lead times. The CMMS can automatically generate purchase orders when inventory reaches reorder points, preventing stockouts. Reduced carrying costs. Optimize your inventory by avoiding excessive stockpiling that ties up valuable resources. Reporting and analytics. Your CMMS shouldn't just collect data, it should transform it into actionable insights. Powerful reporting and analytics features empower you to generate customizable reports, create reports tailored to your specific needs, analyzing equipment performance trends, maintenance costs by department or equipment type, and mean time between failures, MTBF. Identify improvement opportunities, uncover areas where maintenance processes can be optimized, allowing you to allocate resources more effectively and prioritize maintenance efforts. Data-driven decision-making. Use reports to make informed decisions about equipment upgrades, preventive maintenance strategies, and overall resource allocation within your maintenance program. Mobile accessibility. In today's digital age, mobility is key. A mobile CMMS app provides your maintenance technicians with the power to access work orders on the go, view assigned work orders, review task details, and access equipment history directly from the shop floor using a smartphone or tablet. Update task statuses in real time. Provide instant updates on work progress, completion status, and any unforeseen issues encountered during maintenance activities. Improve communication and collaboration. Facilitate real-time communication with supervisors and access to additional resources needed to complete tasks efficiently. 6. Integration capabilities. Consider a CMMS that seamlessly integrates with other software you use, such as ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, or MRP, Material Requirements Planning, systems. This integration offers significant advantages. Eliminate data silos. Ensure data flows freely between your CMMS and other systems, providing a holistic view of your operations. Streamline workflows. Automated data exchange eliminates manual data entry errors and facilitates a smoother workflow across departments. Enhance decision-making. With a consolidated view of data, you can make more informed decisions regarding inventory management, production planning, and overall maintenance resource allocation. By prioritizing these essential features, you'll equip yourself with a powerful CMMS that transforms your maintenance operations from a reactive cost center to a proactive profit driver. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.